English Hindi, I need, equals.
मुझे चाहिए.
Synapse Lingo welcome. Hey you, this episode is brought to you by Synapse Lingo, your fun way to speak fast. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more goodies and practice packs. Grab your earbuds and your sense of humor. Today you'll master, I need, in Hindi.
मुझे चाहिए.
Ready? Let's go. Your goal today. In the next few minutes, you'll ask for what you need anywhere, politely and clearly. By the end, you'll say,
मुझे चाहिए.
without thinking, swap in items like,
पानी.
and even use the formal alternative.
मुझे की जरूरत है.
Rhythm and pronunciation. Feel the beat, it makes your mouth remember. Tap a 3 beat. Mu jhe. Cha hai yi. Say it with me.
मुझे चाहिए.
Try with water. I need water equals.
मुझे चाहिए.
Opening parenthesis.
पानी.
Closing parenthesis dot. Try with help. I need help equals.
मुझे चाहिए.
Opening parenthesis.
मदद.
Closing parenthesis dot. Try with size. I need this size equals.
मुझे चाहिए.
Opening parenthesis.
ये साइज.
Closing parenthesis dot. Need versus want, and negatives. You're polite and precise, here's how. Core need.
मुझे चाहिए.
Equals I need. Formal, alternative.
मुझे की जरूरत है.
Works great at pharmacies or offices. Don't mix up, want.
मैं चाहती हूँ.
Equals I want. To say, I don't need.
मुझे नहीं चाहिए.
Dialogues in the wild. Let's drop you into real life, no parachute, just great phrases. Thirsty desert hero. I need water.
मुझे चाहिए.
Opening parenthesis.
पानी.
Closing parenthesis dot. In a shop. I need this size.
मुझे चाहिए.
Opening parenthesis.
ये साइज.
Closing parenthesis dot. Before an exam. I need help.
मुझे चाहिए.
Opening parenthesis.
मदद.
Closing parenthesis dot. At the pharmacy, extra polite. I need this medicine.
मुझे की जरूरत है.
Opening parenthesis.
ये दवा.
Closing parenthesis dot. Comedy coffee break. Laughter helps you remember, science-ish. A genie appears, one wish. You go, perfect?
मुझे चाहिए.
Opening parenthesis.
पानी.
The genie hands you a reusable bottle and says, stay hydrated, hero. Quick call and response. I cue English, you fire off the Hindi, out loud. I need water. You.
मुझे चाहिए.
Opening parenthesis.
पानी.
Closing parenthesis dot. I don't need a bag. You.
मुझे नहीं चाहिए.
Opening parenthesis.
बैग.
Closing parenthesis dot. I need help now. You.
अभी मुझे चाहिए.
Opening parenthesis.
मदद.
Closing parenthesis dot. I need coffee, please. You.
मुझे चाहिए.
Opening parenthesis.
कॉफी.
Closing parenthesis comma.
कृपया.
Culture tip. Bollywood politeness. Be clear and kind, just like the movies. You'll hear characters politely request essentials with
मुझे चाहिए.
add a friendly tone and a tiny nod. A helpful gesture is to point gently at the item, then yourself, like a magnet pulling what you need. Mini quiz. 3 fast checks, you've got this. 1. How do you say, I need, in Hindi?
मुझे चाहिए.
2. Formal alternative?
मुझे की जरूरत है.
3. Negate it, I don't need.
मुझे नहीं चाहिए.
Challenge time. Your turn. Paint the world with polite requests. At a street stall, ask for tea.
मुझे चाहिए.
Opening parenthesis.
चाय.
Closing parenthesis dot. On a spaceship, Why not? Ask for oxygen.
मुझे चाहिए
Opening parenthesis.
ऑक्सीजन
Closing parenthesis. At a bookstore, refuse a bag.
मुझे नहीं चाहिए
Opening parenthesis.
बैग
Closing parenthesis. Bonus. Contrast need versus want. I want coffee.
मैं चाहती हूँ
Opening parenthesis.
कॉफी
Closing parenthesis. Wrap up. You nailed it, seriously. Today's superpower, I need, equals.
मुझे चाहिए
Plus the formal.
मुझे की जरूरत है
And the negative.
मुझे नहीं चाहिए
Thanks for listening. Keep practicing, stay kind, and visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more lessons, drills, and laughs. See you next time with Synapse Lingo.